Welcome back, everyone. Well, it's that time of season again to start mowing your lawns, so you got to start doing maintenance on your lawnmower. And on this one here, it's a Troy-built 42-inch deck drive. We got to change the belt because it's slipping, and the blades. The most important thing is on the blades is to make sure you get your centerpiece right. Some of them have different slots. This one happens to be a star. Most of them are. Most of these deck drive belts and blades change exactly the same. So what you're going to want to do is make sure it's in park. Make sure you have the key out, ignition off, and all that. We have it in neutral, or actually in forward gear, so it's locked, and the deck drive all the way to the lowest setting so that nothing turns on. The next thing we got to do here is make sure that we get this drive belt off of that pulley. And if you see that bracket right there that goes under it, that's what keeps it on. Most of them are held on with a bolt up there, but fortunately this one is a push design, so we already popped it out, and then we're able to kind of move that down and get the belt out of there. Once you get that out, there's a clip there, one clip right there, and another one on the other side. Quick disconnect clips, and you just go ahead and pull them out. We're just going to pull that pin out, that pin right there, and the one on the other side, and it'll drop and release this deck, and then we're going to slide the deck out. All right, once you get all the clips out, you'll have to take out your engagement cable here. There'll be a hook with a hook like that into the pulley wheel here and secure with a clip there. So just get that unhooked and out of the way, and then you can slide this entire deck out, and we'll clean it off, and then you can start working on it. All right, once you get the deck out, you just basically got to clear all the arms and everything. This one's really dirty, as you see. Go ahead and just clean it out. Don't take anything apart yet, because we'll change the blades first and then the belt and slide it back under. But we want to get all this stuff sprayed out and nice and clean before we start working on it. All right, the deck's cleaned off. It's looking good. We can see everything now. Inspect your pulleys. Inspect the little deck brakes here, little stops, and make sure that they're all right. These look a little worn out, but can probably get another year, another season out of them before they get too crazy. We're just gonna change this belt out and the blades, so flip the unit up, it'll stand up on its own, and then we can change the blades. All right, we got the deck flipped up here. We cleaned it out as well. We're gonna wanna be taking these nuts out here. These happen to be 24 millimeter, but we've seen 15, 16 and everything, 22. So just make sure you get the right size socket for this, and you're probably gonna wanna use an impact or an electric impact. If not, you can brace it with a block of wood, but we have an electric impact to make it easy. All right, swapping out the blades is pretty easy. Most of the times the blades have a up and down arrow or symbol or some type of stamp. These ones didn't. So just before you take them off, make sure you match them and just get that nut on there, you know, pretty tight. You don't want it to slip. And that's about it for changing the blades. Pretty easy. We'll flip the deck down and start changing the belt. All right, you're gonna wanna take those two belt covers right there off of the pulleys. That's what holds the belt on, and they're held on with 10 millimeter bolts. Sometimes you gotta loosen up one or two of these pulleys here to get the belt off, but we're gonna try and slip it off without pulling anything else off. All right, we were able to slip the belt by just bending that little tab out a little bit and then bending it back in, so we didn't have to take the pulley out. We'll get the covers back over to two outer pulleys and go ahead and slide this back under and get everything hooked up and check it. All right, we got it cleaned up. As you can see, there's some fresh grass on there. Everything cut nice, and it's real simple. That's how you change the belt and the blades on your lawnmower to keep it running good, keep it cut and fresh. Simple 3 quick disconnects, and really just a 14 millimeter if you need to take off a pulley, and 10 millimeter to take off your belt guards. Should take you no more than an hour to change this tops. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.